So poor oral health, just a little summary here, some of the stuff. If you want to Google away, you can spend a life looking at the research, but this is a quick little summary. That actually poor oral health is related to memory loss. Can you imagine that? I got a toothache, and where is my dentist's address? So again, we're having problems in the brain, and these are correlated with problems in the mouth. Now exactly why there's that link, we don't always know these things. Just like in acupuncture, you can stick somebody with something and have an effect, doesn't mean you fully understand it. So the next step in this, after looking at the problem and talking about inflammation in the mouth and it's connected to the body, we want to talk about our story. We alluded to it before, but we have a story too. We wanted to create the best possible products, and of course, being who we are, it had to be the absolute best, and it had to be something that was established not only in ancient traditions, but also had some modern scientific validation. So our products are freshly made, and we pack them. There's no preservatives. So that means we make them, they last 1 or 2 or 3 months, and that's what they're meant to do, and then you buy another set. They don't sit on your shelf for 1 or 2 years. You go, oh, geez, look at that. I haven't used that in a year.
We put in the bottles the exact amount so each one gets that amount.
So we also wanted to be earth-friendly, and with Johnson Schwab, we created another company, earth-friendly company, to have products that are earth-friendly on every level, from marketing, resourcing, and selling.
And Jonathan has just been such a boon to us on every level. He has found the best products. If it takes him a year or 2 years, we just keep searching, and we know Jonathan can find them, and he's amazing. And then he'll get something, and then he knows everything about it. So we feel really indebted to Jonathan.
Lifetime free supply, there you go.
So now we're going to talk more, going back from disconnecting to reconnecting. There's 2 programs available. I wanted to tell you, we started off, just started making these products and thinking they were more preventative. But then we started seeing what was happening. We'd get these emails from people and they'd say, I just had the best dental checkup of my life. Whether they had plaque buildup, sometimes people would say to me, you know, I have to go to the dentist every 3 months because they have to chisel the plaque off my teeth. And then they use our products for a month, and they call me up and they say, I just went to the dentist. I don't have to go every 3 months now. I only have to go 6 months. And the hygienist kept saying, what'd you do to your mouth? There's no plaque. So that's kind of how we started the 2 different kits, which we'll get into, the preventative and the rehab kit. I was at one of the dentists here in town, and I was sitting there, and you know how the music, you kind of think you wish it wasn't so loud. Well, I wished it would have been louder. There was a man who I knew who's younger than I am, so it was a little intimidating. He had just gotten told that he needed to have 5 teeth extracted. He was in a panic, and the lady that was trying to set the appointment for him was trying to calm him down, and I could hear, because it was all open, and I could hear what was going on out there, and I just had knots in my stomach because this poor person, he's going, how can I all of a sudden have to have 5 teeth extracted? Went on and on and on, and the lady at the front desk, she kept trying to calm him down and saying all these nice things. Well, after about 20 minutes, she finally says, Mr. Brown, the bottom line is you should have taken better care of your teeth. Because once the gum recession sets in, the teeth get loose, and that's what we've seen is even if you have 1 tooth, it gets loose, you have to have it pulled out, then the teeth around it, they don't have any support, and then it's just this vicious cycle. And that's why 40 million Americans have full dentures.
It's a real industry. That's a lot of people.
So we wanted to go over a few of our testimonials that we get. We have some of the ones we get are so long. They're wonderful, but we didn't want to be going on and on and on.
This is what people report. Receding gums, swollen gums, abscesses, okay, mouth ecology, people felt their mouth was just better. It goes on. Let's see what else we got here. We have stops gum ulcers. Some people have had ulcers. I don't know if you ever know these things happen, but these are possible. Bleeding gums. Anybody had a bleeding gum? Yeah, it can happen. And sensitivity and soreness, tooth pain, this is what people tell us. Cavities, and obviously build up in tongue, freshen mouth, because your mouth freshness comes from how many bacteria are in there going bark, bark, bark.
You have good bacteria and you have bad bacteria. And most mouthwashes, they kill it, everything. Also, I have had about 3 ladies now say that they had severe dry mouth syndrome. And after they use these products, they say that their mouth is all moist, and even if they, are feeling thirsty, their mouth isn't all dry and pasty. So. Okay, here we go.
Circulation in the gums. The gums look nice and pink. Some people thought that the tooth that was getting loose was less loose. Not for everybody, but some people. And we have, especially in the one kit, the Happy Teeth and Gum Kit. So you can't call it a rescue kit. It's a happy teeth and gum, right? So, but that's all right. That's what it is, really. Happy teeth and gum. We want to be happy teeth.
We used to call it teeth whiteningization. We had this kit for teeth whiteningization because I don't know if you know, but even Vogue magazine had a whole article on how detrimental whitening, over-the-counter whiteners are. They destroy your teeth.
Yeah.
So we created this kit, and we get these testimonials of people say, forget the whitening, I just had the best dental checkup of my life. And so we now call it Happy Teeth and Gum with Mother Nature's whitening power. Right.
And the other reason for doing that, besides that niche didn't quite work, it didn't quite work because when you say whitening, they all expect, the anticipation is industrial grade. And this is not industrial grade whitening. It will whiten your teeth and keep them white, but it won't get these sort of like pearly white things which eventually destroy your teeth. So we couldn't compete.
Pearly. They're very pearly.
Here, we'll pass one around. This is the Happy Teeth and Gum Powder, right? So what you want to do is take a sniff, all right? It's not addictive.
We're gonna go.
That's all. We'll have ingredients. It's all on the web too. But it's all pure, organic. Yeah, get a major hit. Yep.
So no negative, painful side effects, safe for everyone, for everyday use. Promotes. I'm going to go over kind of quick so we can get to the nitty gritty. Promotes oral health, simple and convenient, tastes great, balances mouth ecology, supports gum health, helps remove and prevent plaque, and helps to remove tea and coffee stains, and it has a long shelf life. And that's one of the reasons that over-the-counter whiteners are so harmful, is because people are using them so often because they have tea or coffee and then they use them again. And it's actually creating this bluing, and then their teeth are ruined for the rest of their life.
So we put a bunch of clays together, special clays.
Very special clay.
And we've got a whole bunch of herbs and plant minerals and oils, all organic, certified. You have to go and you got to get the certificate of analysis and verify that they're actually organic and so forth. And there's different sources. And we also have something called miswak. Anybody heard of miswak? Miswak. Good.
I guarantee I have never had my mouth feel so fresh.
Yeah.
I mean, amazing. And how long it lasts, your tongue on your teeth, and it just feels, it's amazing.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like
my
it.
one experience.
Yeah, that's what everybody tells me. They say, oh, I feel like I just went to the dentist. My teeth feel so clean. And they feel kind of soft, too.
So this is just an effort to reconnect. And the prevention system, basically it's our Happy Teeth and Gum. It's a very effective oral treatment. You look actually forward to doing it. It feels good. The Happy Teeth and Gum is for people who think that they want to have a better oral health. Okay? If you think you have receding gums and some problems coming on, we would suggest the kit, the SUPERCOMFORT KIT. Okay? And this is one of our best quotes. It just came in through the email about 6 months ago, and this is the person that had been using it for only a month. And she went to her dentist, and the dentist says, my God, look at your mouth. It's never been this way, da, 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 da. And she came home and she wrote email, says, I had the best dental checkup of my life. And she's like 58 years old, so she's had a lot of checkups. Happy Teeth and Gum Kit. As we mentioned, it was probably previously known as the whitenization or the natural white smile kit, and it will make your teeth white. Okay? It's not going to be industrial grade. It's not the intention, and probably not the intention of the human mouth as it is.